Welcome to my kitchen. It is a bit messy today because I've just come back from a very short little break. I went to try my hand at surfing for the first time, which was great fun. I could only get on the board once. And I might be still a bit sore from the experience, but I'm back and I wanted something really simple, healthy, delicious. So I'm going to make green bean potato sabji. So in a hot pan, I have just added a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, and I'm just going to let them sizzle. Just got 4 tomatoes which I'm going to quickly finely chop while that is sizzling away. Just going to add the tomatoes and cook for just literally 5 minutes on high heat. And I've just kind of really finely small pieces chopped 2 potatoes, and I've got 300 grams of green beans which I've got cut into like just small slice pieces really. So that's our vegetables done. I'm just going to cook this till it's softened. So 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and the same for chili powder, and also 1 whole teaspoon of garam masala, homemade one, so it's going to taste amazing. And then I'm going to add the beans, the potatoes, and just give it a mix. It already smells and looks quite good actually. One more thing I'm going to add, which is a bit unusual to add to this, but I promise it will be nice. And I've got 150 grams of these sugar snap peas. I'm just going to cut the sides and chop it in half, that's it, and then add it to the beans. But I will add this not yet, I'm going to add it in 5 minutes once the beans and potatoes are cooked. So just a splash, maybe let's say 2 tablespoons of water just to help cook the potatoes, and mix. And I'm going to cover and let this cook for, let's say, 20 minutes before we add the sugar snap peas, on medium to low heat. So it's been 10 minutes. Just going to check on the potatoes actually. So let's see, let's give it a stir first. It's not fully cooked, I can tell it just by stirring. That's you shouting in the background. So, oh, it is almost done. Right, so I'm going to throw in these because I still want to crunch in them when they are ready. So I don't want them fully crunchy. God, make up my minds, woman. Right, okay, so mix this up, and I'm going to cover and cook this for 5 minutes only. Sorry, the kitchen is fully messy today, but I am doing lots of recipe testing. I'll give you a sneak peek of something that I've tried today, and it's these cookies, which are extremely special because they are not normal cookies at all. So stay tuned for that one. Not yet, not yet. Oh, I've turned the heat off. Oh, look at that. So what I was trying to say was that the potatoes are properly cooked, the beans are done, and these are still crunchy but not super soggy and soft. So I'm going to plate this up now. And there it is, just a few basic ingredients, basic vegetables, and I can get that crunchiness I'm looking for today. A bit of crunch from the sugar snap peas, the soft potatoes, absolute basic spices. I haven't used anything out of the blue, though I'm going to put a pinch of chaat masala on top. And this is just going to be a lovely finish. I would say half a teaspoon or so of chaat masala to finish. Just gonna have a little bite from here. Get everything on my fork. I love that it's still got a bite, but it's not super crunchy and raw, which is great, because that's super crunchy is great in a stir fry, but for a sabji you need it to be kind of mellowed down and, you know, able to absorb all the spices. That's what I'm getting at. So I hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new recipe. If you want to eat this, eat it with some, top it on some sourdough or some chapati, piping hot chapatis with butter on top. Or I would even make a tarka dal on the side and have it with dal, rice and this sabji. So lots of options for you to try. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye for now.